What is going on, everyone? 11th of September today. Welcome back to our channel. We've got CPI data coming out later today during the US session, and we're definitely expecting to see a lot of volatility. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go over the chart on gold, and I'll tell you where are my entry points. Basically, what kind of trading setups I'm looking at. Considering that we've got such high impact events. Now, the CPI data is basically inflation data. So it's very important to see, how the market will react around the news later today, because based on the numbers that we get during CPI news, that's when interest rate decisions are being formed, and you know that the interest rate decisions are another type of economic event which affects price action a lot, especially on all the instruments traded with the US dollar. Now, the good thing about all that is that we don't even need to analyze the numbers, the data that we get during the news today. All we need to know is what kind of market reaction we can expect. We can do our analysis beforehand, and then we can just wait and see what price will do, whether it will react to one of our key levels, and whether we'll get an entry confirmation. So if we go back over to the chart, now here's the 4-hour time frame on gold. Obviously, we are in an uptrend, and we've been trading in this range since pretty much last month, mid of August, around 20th of August. Now, I've got this buy area down here, which is sitting right below, those most recent lows. Okay, I know there's a lot of liquidity below those lows, and I really wanted to see the market taking out all that liquidity. So that's why I've got this buy area down here. Now, even when price was trading down here at the bottom of the range, I was expecting that we may see a continuation to the downside, just so price can take out all that liquidity that is resting below the lows. I wanted to see a good reaction off of this buy area, and then I would have been looking to enter a long trade from down here. Entering a long trade from this buy area right here is probably the best risk to reward ratio setup that we could have in this price action. Well, that didn't happen. Instead of breaking below the previous lows, as you can see, we pushed right back up, and we're currently testing the all-time highs. Now, I've got a couple of setups that I'm looking for, and I'm definitely looking to buy. Even if I get an entry in the opposite direction, I won't be looking to trade against the trend. I will then give the price action a little bit more time to develop and to form another setup for an upside move. So basically, what I think we may see is during the news, we could see a price pushing right up here above all that structure that we have on the left, and it's very important to see how the hourly candle will close. Now, if we manage to close above all that structure to the left, that means I'm going to be waiting for price to come back for a retest where I'm going to be looking for a buying opportunity. However, if let's say during the news we push right up here, but instead of that we just leave a rejection wick, and then the market closes down back within the range, that means we've got a rejection to the upside. We've just collected all that liquidity sitting above those equal highs, and that probably means we may see a pullback. So if I get something like this with a rejection wick and candle closing down below the previous lows, highs, I will be waiting for a pullback. Now, once this pullback develops, I really want to see how price action will react around those lows, where eventually I'm going to be looking to take a buy trade, based on the same signal. If we manage to, retest the buy area that we currently have, that will be even better. Then we will have a confirmed setup, so we can look for long opportunities. So, as you can see, these are the only couple of scenarios that I'm looking for if I want to buy. Like I said, if we get a rejection up here and then candle closing down here, we're just going to wait for price because it potentially means that we can come back for a retest of the lows, where again we're going to be looking for buying opportunities. So this is pretty much what I'm looking for here on gold. Now, if you want to join the premium Telegram channel, that's where every single day I'm sending out short video analysis on each one of those instruments. So we definitely have some setups currently forming on euro dollar, on pound dollar as well. And if you're not ready for that, then just join our free Telegram channel. That's where we share weekly updates on euro, dollar, on gold, Bitcoin, and other instruments as well. So you can find all the links in the description below this video. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.